My name is Tao's Makhacheva, and behind me is the installation that I'm showing here called Charivari. In terms of making of the work, I think it has about 50 people in the credit. The way I work is I invite a lot of people to think together, to brainstorm together. And I went and did research. I looked at different things. I looked at cosmetics made from crude oil. I looked at different stories. I looked at anecdotes of taxi drivers. I collected some historic references. We then went on to interview circus directors, clowns, descendants of acrobat families. And then with each one of them, there was kind of in-depth dialogue, in-depth brainstorming, kind of exchanging historic references and building the work and building kind of around that carcass together. I think what drives me are a few things. Is stories and telling things through stories, but also testing borders. And I think a very important thing that I want to achieve with my work is a laughter, because the work is very seductive. It's, it draws you in, it's beautiful, it's joyous. But then I want people who see the work to think, what are they laughing at? This kind of instant, you're like, and then what was that? And kind of re-examine oneself. We are at times where people are finding forms of speech. Because to me, art has to have a very, a metaphorical and much more effective language. So it's also about finding forms of speech where not all forms of speech are possible.